This is shot on my cell phone because everything is in my bag, and I don't want to take it out until I get to the Philippines. But I just cleared all the stuff I needed to clear, which was amazing. I thought it was going to be really hard because it seems like every country I've been coming to, it's just been a little bit more difficult and a little bit more difficult to clear things. But here in Singapore, they have it down. It took a minute, maybe 2 minutes to clear everything, but I did not clear immigration yet. That happens when I get to Cebu, Philippines. But at the moment, it looks like I'm right where I need to be. And today's video brought to you by the Samsung Z Flip 4. Thank you, Samsung and Verizon, for sending me this thing. I'm going to put it to some good use, but not in every video. And away we go to the bird. I was really hoping that this airport, ooh, that's a little plane. I was really hoping we were going to be able to board on the tarmac, not walk down one of these tubes, but actually walk out onto the runway. I've always wanted to do that. Get on an airplane. You see those ones where they just roll the steps up and you walk up the steps? That's what I was hoping this was going to be. Pretty sure I paid for premium economy, and I'm not getting it on this because this, I mean, I got plenty of leg room, but definitely not as much as planes like that one over there. So it looks like we have distance 1,500 miles. It's not that far, but I can't see that taking 3 hours, but it says it is going to. I don't know, man. And like I've said, I've never been in a plane this small. Okay, it's about ready to get exciting. Gotta jam that motor on and just take off. I wonder how long it's gonna be until airplanes like this are actually electric, like a Tesla. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Crank that engine. Making a U-turn in the middle of the road. That's crazy. We just made a U-turn.
Ladies and gentlemen, passengers arriving at Davao, please return to 112 past QR code.
Alright everybody, I made it. Sorry I did not film at the airport and my cameras are all put away, but I am in Cebu, off to hide a buried treasure. Oh, like I was saying in the car ride over here, I spent 49 hours on the airplane. I was tired. I did not record any video landing, getting into the airport, landing in the Philippines, which was amazing. But, and I really didn't get much of the road, the craziness out here on the roads. And I don't think I'm going to do much tonight. I think I'm going to, before I even go to the room, I got all my stuff, but the restaurant is open, so I have not eaten today. So I'm going to go grab lunch or dinner and then head up to the room, and then I'm going to call it an end of my day. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'll give you a room tour and take you down to the beach and show you the swimming pool, stuff like that. And then in another video, possibly rent a motorcycle and try and kill myself on some of these Philippine roads. They look pretty dangerous, I'm not going to lie. But I think I'm a good enough bike rider where I can handle it. And then we'll start the adventures. Until then, until the next time, well, you know what? I'll take you guys to eat with me. Let's see what kind of food we can get here. I just hate using my telephone to record video. So right off the bat, we have fresh fruit shakes. Ooh, banana shake, buko mango shake, papaya shake, pineapple shake. Whoa, I'm gonna get a pineapple shake. Well, let's see what we got for food. Ooh, what is that? Is that boba teas? Oh, we got milk. We got milk teas. I might get that instead. Cheesecake milk tea. Ooh, that sounds good. Yeah, milkshake tea. Looking at the menu here on the front page, I don't know what none of this stuff is, but this lumpia Shanghai sounds decent. Seasoned pork, shrimp, vegetable egg roll served with sweet chili sauce. So I think that's what I'm gonna get. 320 pesos. That sounds reasonable. Actually, no. This sounds even better. Where did I just see it? Sizzling pork. What is that? Is that it? No. Pork adobo. Philippines' national dish of pork simmered in vinegar with garlic and spices. I think that's what I'm getting. Or I could try the Philippines version as pasta, because everybody knows I'm a pasta person. That pasta carbonara sounds delightful, and the creamy pasta or pesto pasta sounds good. So many choices. Okay, let's set you guys way back there, just in case. I'm using my Z Fold right now, and I can't see it like you can on the Z Flip. There's no front screen. The thing folds this way instead of open. Anyway, so I'm getting pork adobo rice in that, and a chocolate boba tea. That sounds pretty good. That should fill me up. Then I will take you guys to the room. We'll go ahead and do the room tour, and then I'm going to end the video. And then tomorrow I have my cab driver might come over, pick me up, and take me to a place where I could run a motorcycle and start exploring this amazing place. I can tell you now, I don't think I'm going to drive anywhere on the roads that we came here on, because those things were crazy. Perfect for a skateboard. If I had my electric skateboard here, these roads here are perfect for it. You can get anywhere faster than the cars. But if you're on a motorcycle or a car, you're getting stuck, and it doesn't look fun. Anyway, let's flip this back around in this clip so I don't have to edit. Here, look at this place. This is the hotel restaurant. So nice. I will be eating breakfast here every morning during my entire trip. What a nice little courtyard. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing this place when I'm not so sleepy. One of the things that's kind of freaking me out is I went ahead and had to leave a deposit. I had to leave a deposit. I'm trying to figure out what all these buns are doing here. Don't know what that is. Why there's pulling up different photos. I don't know if you guys can see them or not. But so I had to leave a 3,000 peso deposit, which is that's $60 deposit. That's pretty good. Supposedly I get it back when I leave. But I only brought 10,000 pesos cash with me. 3,000 of it just went into savings in case something happens with the room. So I'm probably going to have to learn how to get money out of some sort of ATM or bank or something while I'm here, because I have 7,000 cash pesos left I don't think that's enough to last 14 days. So we'll just have to see. But I have cards. I have money, and I just need to find how you get access to the money. When I was in Singapore, it wasn't that easy. It kind of scared me. I'm hoping, because I know the currency here, and I've been studying the currency with all of you that watch my videos, you know, through PayPal and doing contesting games and stuff. I feel fairly confident I can figure out the Filipino peso. So we'll just have to see how this week goes. Anyway, my food should be here shortly. Can't wait to see what it's like. I've heard so much about Filipino food. Excited to try it. Right, here is my tea. If that doesn't look like a thing of beauty, I don't know what does. All right. Actually, what I'm doing right now is something I haven't done. This is the under the display screen that Samsung has been touting so much that the camera you can't see because the screen hides it. It's not, you can't see the camera. But people have talked how bad that camera is. I'm in pretty low light. It's late at night. It's kind of dim in here. So I'm kind of checking that out as I stir up this amazing tea. And let's go in for a taste, shall we? That's a way to start a Philippine vacation right there. This is what we're working with. My food came. So this is pork adobo. I think this is what's called. Well, not that. That's bobu tea. That's the white rice that supposedly it's always unlimited. You can eat as much white rice as you want. Pretty much anywhere in the Philippines, from my understanding. And then this is the pork adobo. Don't know exactly what it is, but I know what pork is. So it should be enjoyable. Hopefully it's not no weird parts of the pork. You know, the blood and the intestines and stuff. And if it is, please, nobody tell me that I ate something gross. Okay, so let's dig into this fantastic looking piece. Okay. I'm going to need a fork and a knife because it's pork. I see lots of people just doing this with a spoon. Oh, I could see why. I can actually see why it's done with a spoon. The pork is so soft. I see all of you guys, all my friends out here in the Philippines, eating everything with a spoon. I can see why. So, yeah, let's see what the pork tastes like. Please don't be something gross. Please. You know what? Even if it was something gross, it wouldn't matter because it is outstanding. Wow. Pork adobo. Adobe? I don't know. So good. Okay, I'm on my way to the room. Would you look at my pool? Look at this amazing pool we got. This is going to be fun to swim in. It's not right now. Right now, I'm looking for a shower and a bed. This is so nice. I am looking for room 224. And it's got to be around here somewhere. Wow. That's all I got to say is, wow. The beach is right over there. It's just right there. Swimming pools. And I found my room. I got a nice little place here to hang my wet swim trunks and towels. Got a nice outdoor little area. Have some adult beverages. And my room door. Sounds like something's going off in the room. I wonder if concierge is calling me. Oh, wow. Look, you guys. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Okay, sorry. That was the front desk. They cut 14 days of breakfast. So I get to eat breakfast for 14 days. Unlimited food. It's all you can eat. 60 US dollars. He goes, yeah, I forgot to give you the discounted rate. And so he's doing it. And he's sending a bellboy up to bring me the thing. $60 to eat for 14 days. That's pretty good. That's good. The reason I didn't originally get it is it was $99. but yeah, hey, that's a pretty big discount right there. So anyway, let's check out this room. We got this amazing coffee pot, complimentary waters and stuff. Got a nice work desk, but I did leave my computer at home. Did not bring it. Looks like we got a nice TV. What is this? We got a cable box, a little baby cable box. Got a nice TV. Look at this wardrobe. Wow. I know who's going to be hanging some clothes up in here. I can figure out how to open it. Oh, got to be smarter than the door. Oh yeah. Now when there's a safe, that's where my goodies are going. I find this unique. It's all wood. This whole thing's wood and really nice. And the locks are wood. Also, you just push in the door. That is really sweet. Starting at the beds. These things are ginormous. Well, that one's big. This is small. This is for like, hey, I don't got a place to go tonight. I came to visit you. Do you mind if I crash out? We can go swimming and drinking. Whoever does that, that's their bed right there. This big, massive bed right here, that's all mine. All mine. And look at this beautiful backlit thing on the wall. It's all highlighted. How nice is that? It's almost 3D. Back into the laboratory. Turn the light on there. You see me? See, I'm using my phone. I'm not using a real camera. I'm using my phone. Got another cool piece of wood furniture here. And this, it looks like this door here, it's a glass door. And it slides to close off the whole bathroom. I like that. Let's open it back up because I'm waiting for concierge. Got a toilet. Got a bum gun right here to hose off that hiney. And a nice shower and bathtub. Which from my understanding, getting a bathtub in the Philippines is a luxury. So yeah. Nice, right? So what was the entire package? Airfare, hotel accommodations, and now $60 all you can eat food for the whole week. Jen Vargas from Central Florida Top 5 might have to correct me on this, but I believe everything from Orlando, Florida, airfare, hotel, I think it was all maybe $2,000. I think the airfare was like $1,200 round trip, and the hotel for 14 days was like $600. It was something crazy. And I'm going to show you guys in tomorrow's video the property before we go out and venture around the islands. I'm not going to just stick to this island. I am going to take tours on boats and go island hopping along with some other adventures. So I got a lot of stuff to do. It should be amazing. And I can guarantee the only thing that's going to be done with this telephone is going to be YouTube shorts with clues to where the treasure might be hidden for those of you that might want to find it. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. I made it. I'm going to take a shower, relax a little bit, zone out in that comfy looking bed right there, and I'll see you on the next one. So from Cebu, Lapu, Mactan Island, or province, I don't know what it is. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, peace out, everybody.